How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here in today's video, we're going to talk about how to solve your Instagram contact is not syncing on your iPhone or your Android. Now, this problem happens for a few different reasons. Let's say if you have the bad internet connection, or if you have some of the settings that you haven't turned on yet on your Instagram, this issue can happen. Therefore, I'm going to just go ahead and give you some couple of ways to solve your problem. The very first one that I'm going to just go ahead and tell you to check is your internet, of course. If your internet is not working well, then your iPhone or your Android will not be able to sync your contact. Therefore, all you can do before you enter your Instagram, open up your browser and try to load up to a new website to see if that works or not. If you see it takes really long time to load up to a new website, then you have problem with your internet. Therefore, go ahead and swipe down from the top and enable your airplane mode for about 10 seconds. Quickly after that, go ahead and turn it off. Right after that, if you see your Wi-Fi and mobile network is turned on at the same time, then we highly recommend you to choose only one. So you can either choose Wi-Fi or you either can choose mobile network. Now, quickly after that, just go ahead and open up your Instagram from here and to check whether now it is working or not. Now let's say you have done that work and still you have problem with your syncing, you cannot do it, then the next things you have to do, just go ahead and open up your Instagram application once again, and this time around you have to tap on profile. Now go ahead and tap on the hamburger icon, and right after that go ahead and choose your settings. Now from your settings, you need to choose your account. And now from here, go ahead and choose this option called contact syncing. Let's go ahead and tap in there and make sure to enable these features in order to upload your contacts to your Instagram. Just go ahead and enable that from here, and now just get out of here. Right after that, just go ahead and open up your Instagram to see whether now your contact is being synced or not. Well, even after that, if you still get the same problem on your iPhone or Android, then the next things we're going to be choosing is you need to remove some of the minor bugs or glitches that you might have on your Instagram. Therefore, all you gotta do is just go ahead and open up your settings, and now just scroll down here and tap on general. Now choose your iPhone storage, and from there you need to find out your Instagram. Just scroll down from there, and now I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Instagram, and from here tap on uploaded application, tap on uploaded app. Well, quickly after that, just go ahead and tap on reinstall app. Well, if you're using an Android device, then you need to remove your clear cache and cookies. And to do that, open up your settings and scroll down to your applications, open up your Instagram application from there, choose your storage, and then tap on clear cache and clear data. Well, right after that, your problem will be solved and you'll be able to just sync your contact directly from your iPhone or your Android to your Instagram. So this is really pretty quick and easy thing that you guys have to do in order to solve this problem. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.